Hello guys, for this mini vlog, I'm going to bring you at Jeddah Yacht Club and Marina here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Other than socialization, fun, and entertainment, do you know that Jeddah Yacht Club is also a main port for you to enter Saudi Arabia? So papaano nga ba pumasok dito? If you're cruising and you have stopover here in Saudi Arabia, you may enter through Jeddah Yacht Club. Unofficially, binuksan ito noong December 2021, also during the month kung kailan nagkaroon ng first ever Grand Prix or Formula 1 tournament dito sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Located ito sa Corniche Road, Al Shati District. Ano nga ba ang pwedeng gawin dito other than sa pamamasyal? Meron din fine dining restaurants dito, souvenir shops, and yacht activities. Pero if you're just here for leisure, I would suggest you come late afternoon for the sunset. So namasyal ako dito during summer season kaya medyo humid at mainit lang. But if you're visiting on winter season, siguro mas maganda na yung panahon. And you will surely enjoy na hindi iniinda ang init ng araw. Jeddah Yacht Club is free of entrance kaya wala kayong babayaran sa pagpunta at pamamasyal dito. But if you're going to have some activities, meron kayong babayaran that ranges 300 to 500 riyals. From Jeddah Yacht Club, makikita nyo rin ang racing track ng Formula 1, pati na rin ang pinakasikat na floating mosque which is Al Rahama Mosque. And beside it, makikita nyo na rin ang Jeddah Promenade. And you will see it on my other vlog. Kaya when you're here, take a lot of photos of sunset. And of course, take a lot of videos. Basta extra careful lang kasi maraming guard ang nakabantay sa paligid. And that's it guys, another pasyalan in Jeddah, unlock na naman tayo. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and thank you for watching.